And still in South Manchester, farmers are raking up millions of dollars in losses as two different types of worms have been eating their crops. As we hear in this report from TVJ's Andrea Chisholm, the worms have also been causing problems for residents.
Black worms and green worms, piercing just about any crop planted by farmers at the New Forest Dove House Agri-Park in Manchester. Farmers identify the green ones as the beet armyworm, which caused significant damage to crops over the past few years. But for the black worm,
I don't know what type of worm is this.
Together they target just about anything: tomatoes, thyme, onion, escallion, cucumber, callaloo, melon and beetroot.
The flowers gardens, the pumpkin down the bottom there, they are eating the pumpkins. Even mangoes that drop on the ground.
Listen, if you stand in the way, they eat you down as well too. Serious. That's how dangerous they are.
The worms have also been attacking the gates and walls of houses. Residents have to be constantly cleaning their surroundings. But it's the farmers that feel it the most. These birds are the only ones reaping. The worms have eaten acres of crops, putting farmers out of work. Combined, the losses are in the millions.
One farmer told me that he had his farm looking so green and beautiful. One afternoon he sprayed it, and by the morning he got up, the entire farm was devastated.
Right now I did have about 12,000 pounds of scallion ready for the market, and not even as much as what my wife can put into the pot. I can't get out of the garden right now.
The farmers are calling on the Agriculture Ministry, specifically the Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA, to give them a helping hand. They say the pesticides recommended by RADA have been completely useless. However, one small onion farmer who has not seen any significant damage shared his remedy to prevent the worms from eating his crops.
I start to do some clipping, like use my scissors to clip the young plant. So when I apply the spray, it can go direct down to them. So maybe the other farmers can even try some of that method.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.